my garden on the far side of the Baobab campus, trying to encourage everybody to stay at home. We've got the Year 3 Lilac Assembly. I think they're going to share their thoughts on staying at home. But before we go into 3 Lilac Assembly, we're going to have Rami, who's going to play the national anthem for us.
Hello everybody, today I am going to be playing the national anthem in tribute to Zambia during this pandemic time. Thank you, bye.
Baobab at home, a warm welcome to Year 3 Lilac Assembly. We are coming to you live from homes across Lusaka and one home in Mauritius.
In these strange and unusual times, you might feel scared and unsure.
But we wanted each and every one of you to know. We're all in this together. We are all in this together. We are all in this together. Have no limitations, they can still come true.
I want to be a pilot when I grow up.
I want to be a soldier when I grow up.
Remember, everyone is special in their own way.
We are not the same, but we are different in a good way. We make each other strong.
Sing along, Baobab. Everyone, sing. Yeah!
You really got it going on. Baobab in the house. Remember, hand in hand we can succeed and get rich stronger.
Good morning everyone. I have some Falcon merits to read out for today. Our first merit is going to Kai Randy in Musekesi, and Kai is getting his merit for working hard and submitting homework onto Cecil. Well done, Kai. The next merit goes to Dina in Reception Gardenia, and Dina is getting a merit for amazing work and for trying so hard all the time. Well done, Dina. Our next merit goes to Lutanda in Reception Honeysuckle, and he's getting a merit for trying hard with his reading and his writing. Well done, Lutanda. Our next merit goes to Hassanan in Year 2 Flamboyant, and he gets a merit for working hard in all areas and for putting in so much effort into his work. Well done, Hassanan. Our next merit goes to Amy in Year 3J, and Amy is getting her merit for continued hard work and commitment to doing well. Well done, Amy. We have a merit for Kiara in Year 5S, and she is getting a merit for her persistence on Google Classroom and doing all her work with excellence. Well done, Kiara. We have another merit for Maya Jihadi in Year 6, and this is for trying so hard to do her work well. Well done, Maya. And last but not least, we have a merit for Jaden Wamba Turner, and he gets a merit for showing commitment to finishing all his work on time. Well done, everybody.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to today's assembly. I hope you are keeping safe and keeping fit at the same time. Now, in today's assembly, Hawk House has 5 students who will be awarded a merit. So the first one goes to Michelle Moka, and Michelle Moka is in Bush Babies. This is for a beautiful artwork. Well done, Michelle. The second one goes to ELC in Mulberry Bush. This is awarded to Niza Sindano, and this is for working very hard and submitting all his work on Seesaw. Well done, Niza. Then the third one goes to Year 1J, and this is awarded to Ruhan for working hard and for showing improvement in his handwriting. Well done, Ruhan. The fourth one goes to 40, and this is been presented to Vihan, and Vihan is being given an award for an outstanding report that he presented on Shang Dynasty. Well done, Vihan. Then the last one is from the PE department, and this was awarded to Maha from Mrs. Mercedes. This is for Maha continually putting on a hat when doing the PE activities. Well done, Maha. Hawk House, I'm happy for your merits. Please continue working hard and see you. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Eagle's headquarters. I hope you're all well. First of all, a big thank you and well done to Eagle House Captains for helping us announce the merits for the past 2 weeks. You have done a great job, so well done guys. And here are the merits for this week. The first one goes to our youngest Eagle in Bush Babies, Tohiro Matsumoto, for great effort in submitting his work all the way from Japan. Well done, Tohiro. In One Mopani, Yasmin Nala has been a high-fly Eagle, and she's been trying her best in everything she does. Good job, Yasmin. Keep it up. In To Acacia, Everin Modali has been submitting consistent neat work that is being noticed by Mrs. Capasso, so keep up the good work, Everin. In 3 Lilac, Lexi Branningen has been a Star Eagle of the Week, and she has been working diligently and completing all her Seesaw tasks. Well done, Lexi. In 4 Marula, an Outstanding Eagle Award goes to Mohammed A. Patel, following instructions and putting 100% effort on each Seesaw task. Good job, Mohammed. And the last Eagle merit this week goes to Fatima Taher and 5 Hibiscus for attaching all her work last week without fail and being super enthusiastic learner on Google Classroom. Well done to all the Eagles. Keep up the good work, keep safe, and I will see you next time.
Good morning, primary children, and I will be sharing our MyOn results from the last 2 weeks, from week 31 to 33. The total books read in primary since the launch is 5,928, and in the last 2 weeks you've read 1,791 books. The total time read in primary since the launch is 1,336 hours and 30 minutes, and in the last 2 weeks you've spent 408 hours and 39 minutes on reading. This is fantastic. Remember, books make you smarter, and remember to use our MyOn app and to do as many quizzes as you can.
Good morning, everybody. So next week, ELC and Key Stage 1 are going to be taking part in a sports day. This sports day will be posted on your Seesaw, and it'll be your PE lessons. Okay, so further instructions will be posted to show you what exactly you'll be doing and for how long. So the activities that we are going to be doing for your sports day include rolling or throwing balls into a basket. You will be doing an agility run. you'll be doing a shuttle run, you will be bouncing a ball, you'll be jumping over a rope, and you will also be balancing on a spot. I want you to please practice these over the weekend and get ready for your sports day next week.
The following two children in 4M have been trying really hard to edit their work neatly and present their work as we do in school. They've also tried to use letters of the same size. So well done to Ayana Desai and Edric Berta. You truly deserve your pen licenses. Well done.
Good day, children. This week's cupcakes are awarded to the Year 3s. Thank you for working so hard online and for doing lovely assemblies. Well done, guys. Keep it up.
Thank you for joining us for primary assembly. Before we go, I have a slide to show you of some of our teachers with one of their favourite pets or animals. I wonder if you can spot who the teachers are and the animals they're with. I'm going to see if I can get my photo taken with my pet just now. Bolt, Tuffy! Let's see if they'll come. Hey! Right, so I think we'll take the photo just now, but have a lovely weekend and thank you for joining us.